think it was amazing. I didn't expect to absorb as much information as I did. Each day was just jam-packed with knowledge, and then it kind of leads you to the next day, and it was just surprising how much stuff you can really learn in 3 days. My favorite part had to be the last day, where we did a lot of hands-on training. And it can be very nerve-wracking working on a real person and not a melon. It's good how supportive they were. They were just the whole time guiding you through each pigmentation, each thing that you do. So it wasn't as bad as I thought, and it definitely gave me a lot of confidence. Absolutely. The amount of value and information you get in such a small amount of time is absolutely worth it. You know, for me personally, I have a full-time job, I have a daughter, and just kind of compacting everything into 3 days has really given me the chance to just start a new career.